Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. Please excuse my appearance. I fell asleep with my hair wet, so my flyaways are flying away. The baby hairs are up. If I take my hat off, hair is really spiky, and I'm coming at you in a very casual outfit today. So I hope you guys don't mind because we're just doing a little bit of an unboxing today. I posted these shoes on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, check me out, _Hello Harley. Would love if you guys would give me some love on that platform. I'd appreciate it so much. But yeah, _Hello Harley. I posted the shoes in a post and only one of you guys asked for this, but that is enough for me to make a video on it. It was Lori C, and one of you actually asked me to review my Hermes belt, so I will do a review of that another time. Today we're just doing a first impressions because I haven't worn these shoes out yet. The weather in Toronto is very weird. So it's been sunny, it's been rainy, it's been sunny, it's been rainy, and honestly I want to take them to my shoe cobbler before I even wear them because I'll show you in a minute, but the bottom is very slippery and I don't want to wear them out like that. Go in with the unboxing. I have not made a purchase from Chanel since I think like 2020 when I bought my medium flap, but listen, I already unboxed it and the packaging is still always so cute. I love the packaging, and surprisingly this time they gave me this little card and it's like a 5 care tips by Chanel shoes. And in case you're wondering what the care tips are, I will hold it for you here. You guys can take a screenshot or pause to read, but it's interesting that they offer this because none of my other shoes that I've purchased from them came with a care card, which is interesting. But anyways, I've obviously unboxed them already, so you guys are not getting the whole experience. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have already known I got a pair of Ballet flats. I went into the Chanel at Holt Renfrew on Bloor, and I met a really nice sales associate. She's so sweet. And she actually transferred these in from another store for me, and they came in when I was in Chicago. So then she was like, ooh, I don't know if I can hold them for you, but then she was able to hold them for me, which is really nice. So I was able to pick them up once I came back, and these are them. They are the Ballet flats in a 37.5, quilted in aged calfskin in the color black. So you're gonna think, yeah girl, why are you picking such a boring pair of shoes? Probably because like I just gravitate towards black and white shoes all the time. I don't know, they're just easier to style. So it comes in a box like this, and there's 2 dust bags just like any other pair of Chanel shoes. It does come with like a care booklet. But again, they already included that little card, so that's cool. And this is what the dust bags look like. They look the same as the ones before. And okay, let me get both shoes out so you can see what they look like. These marvelous little cuties. And you might be thinking like, why'd you buy a pair of Ballet flats? Like, they're not really in style at the moment. I don't care. I really like them. So this is what they look like. These are my new Ballet flats. They are, I don't know, they're just the stitched ones. Like, they're stitching on the side, there's a cap toe here, there's a CC, and then there's a little bow on the top. They're very neutral and boring, but that's what I love about them. What's the bread thing in the back? Oh, it's a poppy. Okay, so yeah, these are them. That's the nice cap toe with the CC, and then you can see all across there is the crisscross stitching, and again, it's in aged calfskin, so it is a little bit more crinkly looking than lambskin. Because of the crisscross stitching, these are going to be a little bit harder to break into. I did try on a pair of like the lambskin without the stitching and then a patent toe cap in a size 38 when I was there. I think I showed it in the vlog. You can check out my video. I will link it somewhere here. And those were way too big. Like, my whole foot would fly out of them. These, she told me to get in a 37.5 just because of how wide my foot is, but they fit fine. If I don't wear socks in them, they are great. They have no pinching or anything, but if I do wear a pair of thick socks, which I don't like wearing shoes without socks. I just think like you need the socks. If they're not a sandal, then I need a sock in there. So I'll probably wear stockings with them, or those like little stocking socks. But if I wear like a pair of like my TNA socks, like cotton socks, they are too thick and they kind of like pinch. But I might just start doing that to give them a little bit more stretch, because they are so hard to stretch out because of that stitching. The stitching just adds a bit of, I guess, structure to them, and it's a little bit harder to stretch out. But anyways, this is what the inside says: Chanel, made in Italy. There's a little code on the side there, and then the bottom is completely smooth, and it says 37.5 made in Italy, Chanel as well. What I'm gonna do with these is I'm actually gonna take them to a shoe cobbler. So these are my Chanel slingbacks. I have had these for years now, same size, 37.5, but I have this added on and it just adds a lot of grip. Sorry, they are really dirty because clearly I've worn them. This is what they look like. Aren't they so cute? Anyways, I'm trying not to touch the bottom because they're probably dirty, but yeah, because I have a lot of these like black cap with the tan, I decided to go with an all black shoe, although they had a pink on pink and I thought that was so cute, but they didn't have it in the quilted version of it, so I just went with the black. You really can't go wrong with the black. And I think they are very darling. I definitely would go in and try them on if possible. I just think shoes are really hard to predict if they are comfortable for you. I personally don't like heels, and this is like as high of a heel as I can get. I like the flat, but because I have a wider foot, you definitely need to try them on. I wouldn't order them blindly. So when I got them put on hold, she did say like I could try them on, and if they don't work out, then it's fine. Like I can just walk away from them, which is really nice. If you guys have any suggestions on a shoe cobbler, let me know, because I would love for them to add it to the toe up here so it's not so slippery. Like, look how slippery that is. That thing is smooth. Adding the grip also will like help prolong the shoe as well, just because it's not so flat to the ground and it's like scuffing up this bottom so much, because that's all that there is to protect this bottom, is this bottom section. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna add a little bottom there, so when I do my walking it can take a little bit more of a beating, and then I'll have these for a lot longer than if I didn't protect the bottom sole there. And again, it's just to help me too, so I'm not gonna like poke guy when I'm walking. Okay. I do want to mention that if you're going to be really picky about them, and this is something that I'm very nitpicky with, if you look really closely, there is a stitch. Which side is it on? Okay, it's right here. There is a stitch right there and right there that is slightly lifted. I think it's just the way that they were manufactured. I don't know if you can see them. I can see it because I'm just like, I was like really analyzing them. See that? Do you see that? If you're nitpicky, then that might really bother you. I'm gonna take a very thin needle and just shove the stitch back into place. But I really think genuinely it's just how the stitching is when they were stitching the C's on there. Hopefully it's not gonna unravel on me, but I can definitely update you guys in another video once I wear them a little bit longer. But other than that, there's no issues on the rest of the shoe. It looks like the stitching is good. Let me know if you have any other questions about these, but a really quick, super fast unboxing and first impressions. Excited that you guys are more interested in these videos again, because I buy stuff all the time, but then I just haven't shared it with you guys because it didn't seem like you guys were interested in the videos before, but now you guys are a little bit more interested again. So I'm excited. So sorry if this is not your cup of tea, where I'm like posting a little bit too much about luxury. It's nice to talk about something else once in a while, some cute accessories, right? So yeah, anyways, follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley, follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!